Can't hear it.
I know. Where's, oh, right there, yeah.
Alex,
I better not dance too much, huh? I don't think this one's on yours. You got a Justin Bieber song on yours. They're all in it anyway, baby. Cassidy's dancing. Is it okay if Cassidy's in it?
Yeah.
You learning the moves, Aaliyah?
No, we just want it to be us.
No, she's going to do it next, though.
What's she doing? No, any song.
Do what?
She can do any song.
Well, she might want to do this one.
No, no. You'll be able to hear that one. If you want to be my lover, you gotta get with my friend. Make it last forever. If you want to be my lover, you have got to give.
Yes, you've got to give. Abby, you want to try your game out when you get home? This is what yours is, but it's different. It's got different songs on it. The game I got you? It's for little kids. It's got the happy birthday song on it. It's got good other songs, but it's got like kid songs too. Because they only want to be in. Well, Kobe wants to put it on Facebook. But then he can tag you in it. She's fine. No. Quit, buddy. I got all three of them on mine. On my video camera, but I didn't mess. I've never tried to put mine.
I want to see that. I gotta see that. Press the red button.
I did, but it's still counting in seconds. There.